Hello again, everyone. It's Patrick at Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa. 563-875-2409 or victoryfordonline.com. December is one of my favorite months of the year. Winter is here. We've got Christmas. We've got New Year's, and not the least of which is it is Truck Month at Victory Ford. That means you get $300 accessories credit that you can pick out on any 2009 and newer truck. So we've got 100 new F-150s. We've got over 15 Super Duties left, and it's still a great selection of new and used trucks. And remember that $300 comes into play. And of course, if you haven't heard of Section 179, if you're a farm or a business owner, you can go ahead on a new truck purchase, deduct 100% of that purchase for your 2019 taxes. So if you're a farmer, if you're a business owner, or what have you, and it is on select vehicles, so F-150s, F-250s, F-350s, those type of vehicles all qualify for your business. Another reason that December is my favorite month, it's the Army-Navy game is coming up this weekend. Go Army. So once again, we've got all this going on. Countdown to the roaring 20s here. Countdown to 2020. We've got Truck Month. We've got the Army-Navy game. Christmas and New Year's all rolled into one. So once again, Patrick at Victory Ford, 563-875-2409 or victoryfordonline.com. Happy holidays. We'll see you soon. Bye.